To emphasize and organize your headings and improve data readability, you can either apply different fill colors or use alternating color format for rows. I'm going to color code the main cash flow rows in blue by selecting and then going to the paint can icon. The color palette appears, which is the same for all options in Google Sheets. Often when I select a color, it is a bit too dark, making the text hard to read. So I go back and select the Custom Plus option, which will let me adjust the color. I use the slide for a lighter version of the color. You can also use the eyedropper to select color from anywhere on your screen. Then I'm going to use the paint format to paste the fill color to few other rows with similar data. I will add a light green fill colors to my cash inflow and savings headings and light pink to the debt and expenses headings. I try to keep the colors consistent with meaning, so I use shades of red or pink for negative or debt items and green or blue for positive financial numbers. I also want to show you an option that you may prefer using to manually choosing the fill colors. Select the cells you want to format, then go to Format and scroll down to Alternating Colors. This is a quick way to add alternating colors to data set with many rows. It improves data readability. Here you can specify whether your data has a header. You can use from any of the predefined styles or create your own custom style. I often would choose a color that I'm already using and then just lower its shade. This option is very quick and easy, and you can see how quickly it was applied to all my rows. Thanks so much for watching.